The phone case industry has long ignored a critical issue: the sheer amount of plastic waste it generates. Every year, 1 billion phone cases are produced around the world. That weighs equivalent to 80 fully loaded Airbus A380. These products, once discarded, become zombie plastic, virtually impossible to recycle and harmful to our planet due to poor design and poor material selection. At Rhinoshield, we're on a mission to change that. We began our journey as a material company, quickly gaining recognition for designing top-tier phone accessories. As we expanded, we became acutely aware of our environmental impact. We realized that making great products wasn't enough. We must create the best products while prioritizing sustainability. We had to press the reset button, redesigning all our products to ensure they can be recycled and reborn. This realization even prompted us to take a step back and reflect on how we could contribute to society in ways that go beyond just being a phone case company. And we think we can help solve the plastic crisis. Our focus is threefold. Legacy plastic. This refers to the billions of tons of discarded plastic still polluting our environment. Plastic, created since the 1950s, persists for centuries, breaking down into microplastics that contaminate soil and water. Studies show over 9 billion metric tons of plastic have been produced, with 6.9 billion left unrecycled. By 2030, up to 53 million metric tons of plastic waste could enter waterways annually. While initiatives like ocean cleanup help, the scale of the problem demands scalable solutions. Modern plastic. Plastic products in use today, destined to become waste if not designed and recycled properly. To prevent adding to the legacy plastic problem, we must do a much better job reusing and recycling plastic in circulation. This requires collaboration between governments, corporations, and consumers to adopt circular systems. While progress is slow, every step toward better recycling practices counts. But ultimately, to completely turn off the tap and stop plastic waste from flowing into our environment and our bodies, we need to find replacements for plastic. Future plastic. Future plastic is how we develop better and non-fossil fuel-based materials to replace plastic use in the future. The new materials must decompose naturally and have zero microplastic release at degradation. With these new materials, our trash can be landfilled or discarded in nature, and these would rapidly biodegrade without traces of negative chemicals. Currently, consumers have been misled by so-called biodegradable materials, which are only partially effective. Truly biodegradable materials, capable of breaking down naturally, are not yet available on a commercial scale, yet they are urgently needed. At Rhinoshield, we're addressing all three challenges. For legacy plastic, we aim to clean up ocean waste with scalable solutions. For modern plastic, we're driving zero waste through circular design. And for future plastic, we're developing sustainable materials for a zero-waste future. We're not just a phone case company. We're part of a movement to redefine plastic as a precious, reusable resource. Join us on this mission to end the era of zombie plastic. Together, we can create a sustainable future. Subscribe to our channel, follow our journey, and be part of the solution. Rhinoshield. Protect your world.